Hey buddy, this is Online Gadgets. Welcome to our channel. Are you looking for the best dry irons? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best dry irons on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Chi Steam Iron with Retractable Cord. The Chi Lava 13113 stands as a benchmark for premium ironing performance. Its defining characteristic is its rapid heat-up time, reaching optimal temperatures almost immediately, which is a significant time saver. The ceramic sole plate is not only scratch-resistant but also provides an exceptionally smooth glide across all fabrics, from sturdy cotton to delicate silk, preventing any snagging or pulling. This is complemented by a formidable steam system featuring 404 steam holes that distribute a fine, consistent mist, measured at 127 grams of output, to effectively relax deep wrinkles. The iron offers precise electronic controls with clear fabric settings and includes important safety features like auto shutoff. Its ergonomic design helps distribute its substantial 3.5-pound weight, which aids in pressing out stubborn creases but may be cumbersome for some users. While its performance on materials like polyester is strong, it requires more passes than on cotton or linen. And number 2. Rowenta Smart Steam Iron. The Rowenta Smart Steam Iron DW3261U1 is a high-performance laundry tool designed for those who want professional-grade results without the complexity of traditional heat settings. Featuring Rowenta's patented Perfect Temp technology, this iron eliminates the guesswork of fabric care, making it a standout choice for both delicate silks and heavy linens. The most significant feature of the DW3261U1 is its one-temperature-fits-all approach. No more sorting. Traditionally, you have to sort your laundry by fabric type and wait for the iron to heat up or cool down. With Perfect Temp technology, the iron maintains a consistent, optimal temperature that is safe for all ironable fabrics. You can move directly from a silk blouse to a pair of denim jeans without changing a single dial. Fabric safety. This technology virtually eliminates the risk of scorching or burning delicate items. It provides peace of mind for users who are nervous about damaging expensive clothing. And number 3. Rowenta Perfect Pro Steam Station DG8624. The Rowenta Perfect Pro Steam Station DG8624 is a powerful 2-in-1 solution for achieving wrinkle-free clothes. With its 1800 watts and stainless steel sole plate, this steam station ensures smooth and professional quality ironing results. The generous 1.1-liter water tank provides continuous steam for longer ironing sessions, eliminating the need for frequent refills. In addition to being an excellent iron, it also functions as a fabric and garment steamer, making it versatile for refreshing and removing wrinkles from various fabrics. The removable water tank simplifies the refilling process, while the easy-to-clean stainless steel sole plate ensures long-lasting performance. Transform your ironing routine into a professional experience with the Rowenta Perfect Pro Steam Station, leaving your clothes looking pristine and perfectly pressed. What we like. Powerful 1800 watts. Generous 1.1-liter water tank. Versatile 2-in-1 solution. Removable water tank. Easy-to-clean stainless steel sole plate. And number 4. IRONDAY Steam Iron. The IRONDAY Steam Iron is a lightweight yet powerful 1200W home appliance designed for efficiency and ease of use. Featuring a high-quality ceramic sole plate and versatile steam functions, it offers a professional-level finish for a variety of fabrics, from delicate silks to heavy cottons. This review examines its heating speed, glide performance, and maintenance features. 1200W fast heating. The iron heats up remarkably quickly, reaching ironing temperature in less than a minute. This is ideal for busy mornings when you need to touch up a shirt or skirt before heading out the door. Consistent heat retention. Despite its fast ramp-up time, the iron maintains a steady temperature across the sole plate, ensuring you don't experience the hot spots that can cause accidental fabric damage. Variable temperature control. A clear, easy-to-read dial allows you to select the correct heat setting for different fabric types: nylon, silk, wool, cotton, linen, providing the versatility needed for a full laundry basket. And number 5. Oliso TG1600 ProPlus Smart Iron. The Oliso TG1600 ProPlus is not just a steam iron. It is a specialized piece of equipment designed specifically for those who spend hours at a sewing machine or crafting table. Known for its iconic auto-lift iTouch technology, this 1800-watt powerhouse solves the most common frustrations of traditional ironing: scorching, wrist fatigue, and constant repositioning. The standout feature of the TG1600 ProPlus is the patented iTouch technology, which fundamentally changes how you interact with the iron. Automatic lifting. As soon as you let go of the handle, the iron's scorch guards deploy, lifting the sole plate off the fabric. When you touch the handle again, it lowers instantly. This eliminates the need to constantly flip the iron upright onto its heel, significantly reducing wrist strain during long sessions. Scorch prevention. Because the iron lifts itself, the risk of scorching expensive fabrics or burning your ironing board cover is virtually eliminated. This is a game changer for quilters who need to press delicate blocks repeatedly.